Welcome to part 9 of the $1,000 Bitcoin challenge, brought to you by Coinrule and Crypto Rich.
Week that this was a good support. Actually, the support worked as fine as we could imagine. Now we say that we could have retested this level. This was the level that everyone wanted to see how the price would have reacted once reached. So we arrived here, but the price was not ready yet to breach it on the upside. What we can have now, so this is kind of a nice structure. It's clear that we are basically try to knock on the resistance. The first resistance here is around 10,000, basically 11,000. As we said, it's the round number that attracts buyers and sellers. So it's here. This is a false breakout of the 11,000 resistance. Clearly, the price is tending to go up. One thing is missing: the volume. I don't see very significant volume. As you can see here, we are on Bitstamp. We had much higher volume when we were across or hovering above the support. So that means that the real interest has not come yet. Likely now we are approaching the weekend, so if nothing unexpected comes, I would imagine that we are still trading sideways for a couple of days. But if the price in case the price should fall again, the first support is still this. So we have if you are trading Bitcoin, you need to know that there is a 6% possible downside at this stage, and bear in mind that always this is a resistance, this is the support. The support is more far than the resistance, so the trade-off at this point could be to trade on the short side more than on the long side. But as soon as this is cleared, then the upside, I think that is another. At least I don't think that if we break this next time that we approach this resistance, this is the good time that we will break on the upside. So I see this as probably at this point the major resistance that we should keep an eye on. We also were looking at Binance Coin the other day. We were looking at Binance Coin on the trading pair versus USDT. Mm-hmm. We broke the verge of the falling wedge. So we had the low here. We saw that there was a rebound. Actually, there was a rebound, and scalping this would have been a good opportunity. Then we had double bottom. So we will see. I said already that this is a very key area. We have a possible double bottom here. Again, the moving averages are set in a nice way. We will see. I think that Binance Coin, among the large cap at this point, is one of the most interesting buy opportunities that we have. Remember, they launched the Binance Chain, the smart contract. They are now fully into the DeFi frenzy. See the volume here. What volume we have here? It's probably one of the highest ever recorded. Anytime that Binance Coin breaks the previous high, it just skyrockets on the upside. So I am kind of bullish at this point on Binance. And that's why if we go back, I will stop sharing my screen. If we go back on the dashboard, I also added another rule again to try to scalp Binance Coin during the weekend together with Ethereum. So for now, yeah.
Because this one hasn't triggered yet.
Basically, the previous one was finished, so I launched a new one.
Right.
This morning. If you see that it was launched this morning.
Yes.
So we are waiting for the first triggers here.
So if Binance Coin has price decreased by 0.8% within 30 minutes by $75 of that coin with my USDT wallet as market order, and then if that coin has price increased by 0.8% from price at which you bought, so the stop loss and the take profit are the same. No, sorry, it's not the same.
The trigger and the take
trigger
profit is the same.
And if that coin has price decreased by 1% from price at which you bought, sell 100%. So this is the take profit. And this is the stop loss. Always important to have a stop loss. Sell 100% of that coin. Execute 20 times starting today at 8:38, and we shall see how that does over the weekend. Anything else on this?
Just one consideration. As I said, I'm kind of bullish, especially in the short term for Binance Coin. So that's why I added the stop loss relatively larger than the take profit. Because if we are, and if I'm correct, that we are going to see an uptrend, the trades that will be closed in profit should be more than those in loss.
Right.
So this way, I try to give more tolerance for volatility in the trade, but still knowing that if I'm correct and more trade will be closed in profit, that should compensate the eventual slightly. It's not very big difference, but a slightly larger loss that we allow to have on each trade.
Great, Ruben. Listen, thank you so much. Is there anything else you want to go through, or you want to let people know?
I think that we are okay, and let's just relax. It was a kind of stressful week, so let's hope that Coinrule will trade for us in letting us relax and rest a bit for this week.
Great, Ruben. Thank you so much. Anybody who's watching, any questions, comments, put them in the description below. Use my affiliate link for Binance, and it'll give you a discount. A 10% discount on trading fees. Also, if you use my affiliate link for Coinrule, you'll get 7 days free and 25% off the paid account should you do that. And then what you can also do is go join the Telegram group and ask any questions and learn there from the other people who are using this platform. And Ruben, I hope to see you again next Monday. We'll be doing this again. And for everybody who's watching between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Ruben signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.
Cheers.